Okay, let's move to another type of questions, which is a hotspot question. Is a very important one, especially for biology, medicine, and etc. Let's watch the video together.
Hotspot questions are a great tool that let test takers mark one or several areas of an image to answer a question. When you create the questions, you can specify what area of the picture acts as the answer. Let's see how it works. To begin, select the plus sign wherever you want to add the question. Select Add Hotspot Question. Add the question text description into the Rich Content Editor in the Type Question field. Drag and drop an image into the Upload area or select the Upload from Device button to use the file picker. Then, select one of the symbols next to the Add a Hotspot label on top of the image to generate a square, circle, or polygon on the image you uploaded. You can add more than one hotspot to an image. You can do this to have multiple answers to a question or have distractors. Distractors work great when you enable the Show Hotspots to Students option. The hotspot question type will then function like a multiple choice question type with multiple answers. You can drag and drop the hotspots after you have drawn them. If you have drawn circular or square-shaped hotspots, you can resize them too from the square controls on the hotspots. You have the option to erase hotspots. If you want to delete one hotspot, select it and then select the Erase Hotspot label. If you want to delete all hotspots, select the Delete All label on top of the image. Optionally, you can add a description for each hotspot. If you have drawn several hotspots, you have to select which ones correspond to a correct answer. It's important to select at least one to activate the Save button. Finally, select Save to add the question to the test or assignment.
Okay, then let's add a question, hotspot question, and practice this. I have a question here. Locate the processor on the image. Just click on it. Then I will add the hotspot now. Hotspot question. Hotspot. This is hotspot. And the question text. Then the question is locate the processor on this image. Just click on it. And you have to attach an image file now. You can browse your local files. Now I will put my image. This is my image. Open. It's a JPEG file here. It's a JPEG file. I have attached my image file now. Next. Okay. Now look at the answers now. Click and drag the mouse here over an area in the image to specify the hotspot area for the correct answer. Start with the upper left corner of the rectangle and drag down to the lower right, and then click clear to remove if you wish to remove the rectangle and start again. I will try here. This is my processor. This one here. I will draw my rectangle. Okay. This is my area. This is my hotspot area. And this is my answer. Okay. Can I add another one? Maybe this one. You can add, but I don't know if it will be. Click to remove. Oh, okay. Okay, no, it's one hotspot here. Okay, now I have finished. I can click on submit. Then I have added a hotspot question. Another type of questions that we can add. For example, I have added fill in the blank, calculated formula, file response, we have essay and short answer. Okay, let's go for short answer. Describe briefly the factors that affect processor performance. Okay. This is a short answer question. I will add another question. Short answer. And then Control V, keep formatting, yes, okay. And set the number of rows that will display in the answer field. I prefer to give him 5 or 6 lines. It's good. 5 or 6 lines for the student to write his answer. You can provide a correct answer here. Answer text. It's a model answer. Control C. Control V. Okay, this is the answer text. Now you can add rubric. Yeah. If you remember the rubric that we have created before, I will add a rubric, select rubric for grading. Okay. This was not found, or you do not have permission to access it. So why? Why I don't have? Select rubric. Why? Very strange, very weird. So weird. Okay, create from existing. Oh, why? Create a new rubric. You can create a rubric, but you cannot. Why? I can't use the rubric. Why? It's already there. So weird. Okay. Create a new rubric. Short answer. Okay. Description, I will keep as it is. I will not change anything. Formatting, organization, grammar, okay. Okay. Where is the rubric that we have created? Okay, what's wrong? Select rubric. No, I have already created, my friend. Create a new rubric. Short answer. Okay, I will put here 25, 25, 25. Okay, submit. Cannot. Why? Okay, anyway, I don't know what's happening for the system. Okay, and submit. Question created. Now we have 10 questions. The last one is short answer. Let's create another type of questions. Another type is an essay now. Essay question in your own words. This is a question. Explain shareware, freeware, demoware, and open source. This is an essay question. Let's see. Create another question. Essay. And question text. And answer. You have to write an answer. To provide an example, it's only an example of correct answer. And let's put an example of correct answer. Shareware. Next, now I will Control V, remove formatting. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, let's try. I don't know why the rubric is not working. There is a problem. Select. It's working now for the essay. Okay, good. I will select the rubric that I have created 2 short answers, but it's not. Yeah. Now I will put the essay, and it's working now. Okay. Selected one rubric. Yes. Submit. Yeah. Finally, it's used for grading. Yes. This rubric is used for grading this question, and I will show the rubric to student? Yes, with rubric scores. Finally, yes. And instructor note, no instructor notes. Yes, we finish. I will click on submit. Then I have 11 questions in my exam. Okay. Okay. I have 11 questions. Now I will add another type. It's a file response. Describe the advantages and disadvantages of magnetic storage, optical storage, solid state storage. Give an example of each type of storage. Summarize important usage for each type of storage technology. Good. Okay. Let's go for this question. Then add another type of questions. Is a file response. I will put the question text here. Now I will add a rubric. Yes, I will add a rubric for file response. I have a rubric for file response and submit. Yes, with rubric scores. Show rubrics to student with rubric scores. Yes, good. Finally, I will click on submit. Okay, let's review our questions. Good. We have 12 questions in our exam.